Hi, this is Kevin Schumacher with the Kevin Schumacher Team here at eXp Realty. I want to bring you your monthly market report for the Colorado Front Range as we really look back at the month of July and look at our numbers and sort of break them down a little bit as we already are here at the first part of August and really just wrapping up summer as we get through August and September, and really want to just give you a quick snapshot of what those numbers look like. So when we break down the numbers, as we look at Larimer County, there are a total of 1,135 homes currently on the market. Of those 1,135 homes, 497 homes actually sold in the month of June. The numbers are down approximately 6% compared to the month of June. Average days on the market sitting around 65 days with an average sales price at $465,000. Currently the inventory is at 2.1 months of inventory, which basically what that means absorption wise is if not one other home hit the market in the next 2 months, we'd be out of inventory. So statistically and historically, anywhere between 4 to 5 months is an average market, which is going to lean a little bit more towards a seller's market. And when we're over 6 months inventory, it actually would be a buyer's market. So we definitely are still trending in that seller's market. And when we look at that inventory is actually down 4.75% as we compare that to the month of June. Looking at Will County, 1,500 homes currently on the market. 533 homes actually sold last month, down 4%, with an average days on the market at approximately 58 days on the market. Average sales price, $396,000. 2 months inventory out there on the market, which is up by 11%, which I believe a little bit of that is some of the injection of some new construction projects that are out there. When we break down Boulder County market, 786 homes currently on the market. The month of July, 331 homes actually sold. That's down by 4% compared to the month of June. 54 days on the market with average sales price in Boulder County of $786,000. That's looking at 2.5 months of inventory, and that is actually up 11% compared to the month of June. When you look at Boulder County, when you get over that 1.7, 1.8 million mark, the market really flattens out fast. So as we look at all of these different price points and the different markets, there's definitely price points that are going to be a little more favorable and aggressive, and it'd be a little bit more on that seller's market where the sellers are definitely getting their asking price. And then when we look at, as you get higher up in the price ranges and you get a little bit more into that luxury market, the markets definitely are flattening out a little bit. Another common denominator that we're seeing is we're seeing the inventory in those markets slow down a little bit. And part of that is a lot of people aren't putting their homes on the market because they don't know where they're going to go. They don't know what that next option is going to be. But to wrap up our market snapshot, looking at the Denver metro area, there's actually 4,359 homes currently on the market in Denver metro. 2,740 homes sold in the month of June. That's down by 8% of numbers in July comparison to June. 23 days average days on market, which is still really pretty aggressive. 522,000 is the average sales price. 1.8 months inventory, and that's actually down by 5% compared to what it was in June. So same thing in Denver. Denver is definitely still really more active. I believe that they're going to have more of a higher volume of affordable inventory. Now granted, with an average sales price of over $500,000, that's not extremely affordable in many markets, but you do a large portion of that inventory is going to be your condo inventory, and there is quite a bit of inventory out there, but it's actually getting absorbed fairly quickly as well. So that's your snapshot for the Colorado Front Range. Things are still looking really good as we're going into and wrapping up third quarter and approaching fourth quarter. Interest rates are still looking at in that low 4% range. They're predicting that we're going to continue to see low rates through the end of the year, and looks like the Feds are going to continue to hold off on any future hikes, and potentially we may see another reduction by the end of the year. So as we hear news, we're definitely going to share that with you. As I shared with you before, there definitely is a lull in some of the new listing inventory coming on the market. And so for those of the people out there that are sitting on those really nice homes and they've done those nice improvements, those are the ones that are actually bringing the premium dollar in today's market with a quick turnaround. So if you're considering selling your home or just really really curious on how our market has affected the the value of your home and how your home is appreciated, we'd be happy to sit down with you, evaluate your current market position and your equity position, and let you know where you stand in your market. So as always, if there's anything we can do to help you out, please let us know. You can always visit us at kevinsellsco.com, and we look forward to all your referrals and seeing you soon.